How to fix and solve login problem on Wattpad application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can fix if you're having login problem on Wattpad application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, check your internet connection and make sure that it is working properly. And the second option is to restart the Wattpad application. Close the application completely, reopen the application in your device and try to log in again, and that will help you. If that still does not help you, make sure that the application is up to date. To see for the updates, open up Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for Wattpad application, tap on Wattpad and check if the update is available. If it is available, make sure to install them all. After that, head back to application, reopen it and try to log in. If still not, now you have to open up settings in your device. Under settings, tap on apps. Under recently opened app, head over to Wattpad. Here tap on storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. Once you do that, you have to reopen application and try to log in again. And make sure that you enter your correct login credential. So double check your email, username or password that you are trying to log in into Wattpad. If you have forgotten your password, you could always reset it and then try to log in. If that still does not help you, then you could uninstall the application completely from your device. So head over to Wattpad, tap and hold on it, head over to app info, here tap on uninstall. After you uninstall, reinstall it back from the Google Play Store and then log in again using your credential, and that will help you. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.